Hi everyone, Brian from ATEN here. With the future of work evolving from offices to work from home to hybrid, everyone's looking for a way to reinforce remote work with flexible and secure access. Remote desktop software is one of the most common solutions that enterprises turn to today. But software solutions are usually operating system dependent and could involve many network vulnerabilities. In this video, I'd like to introduce ATEN's CN-Series of single-port KVM-over-IP switches. The series is available with different connecting interfaces, including DVI, VGA, and DisplayPort. It doesn't require any additional software or drivers and can operate independently of an operating system when the PC or server is in its BIOS level state. Installation is pretty simple. If I want to remotely access my laptop using the switch, all I need to do is connect the video, here we have VGA, from the laptop to the switch. And we also have USB that controls the laptop's keyboard and mouse. Each CN switch comes with 2 LAN ports and dual power supply to ensure system uptime. Simply plug a network cable into one of the LAN ports and the power adapter right here, and that's all it takes. Accessing the PC remotely is also easy. When you're outside the office, say you're at home, simply open a web browser and enter the IP address of the switch to get started. Next, log in with your username and password. Then click the viewer icon to call up the remote client so you can view the remote server in a separate window. You can also download the Windows Client app or Java Client app to remotely access the PC or server. Run the downloaded Windows Client app and log in with your account info. You can access the remote PC as usual. Mapping media to a remote server as though it were saved locally is also easy. Click the icon to bring up the virtual media dialog. Select your media source and click Mount. Drag and drop files to share between local and remote PCs. Since KVM access to the PC is built on a direct connection with the keyboard, video, and mouse, this hack-proof, hardware-based remote access path is separated from the operation network to keep data and workflows secure from end to end. In other words, there's no need to worry about any kind of cyber attack, something that a software solution simply can't guarantee. Want to learn more about ATEN's KVM-over-IP switches? Follow the link in the description and get in touch with an ATEN expert today. And make sure to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss any more ATEN videos. Until next time, see you later.